Okay, so many of you have been asking me to show you my stats and KD ratio and all. So here it is. This one is for you. Now my KD ratio is 89.59 in squad and solo. I played 5 matches and third 23.50. I didn't play any duo matches and scored 9.59. I only played 92 matches and 633 kills. I am in ace tier and 4,200 points. This is my new skin M416. This is another skin. Okay, I wanna show you something else. Like server. Okay, total rating is friend section. I'm in 24 number because I haven't played many number of matches. That's why it only took me only 2 weeks to reach S tier from I guess silver or bronze because last time I was in the last season I was in diamond 5 or 4. So only in 2 weeks I came to S. This is my season rating in 19. You can see my season rating, duo rating. I haven't bought winner pass, so let's skip it. Like ranking, no. Okay, ranking. So I got in solo 47 kills. In squad I got 633 kills, and my most kills 17 9.59 KD ratio. It was around 12 or 13, but after I reached crown 3, the KD ratio keeps reducing. As you can see, so that's all. Thank you for watching. Keep clashing. Happy gaming. Enjoy yourself. Bye bye.